London, and I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you're at. Thank you for tuning in to the Dance Bridges Festival opening ceremony for 2022. This year's festival is in a hybrid format and with the theme Interconnecting. And although we can't be in Calcutta physically, the Dance Bridges team is really excited for the different doors of opportunity that creating a hybrid edition has brought with it. We've had screenings in London. Tonight the festival opens in Calcutta, the British Council, and there are live events in Taipei as well. But we also have a very large digital program that audiences from around the world can explore. So do check out our films and podcasts, the photo essay series, join in for the online jam, and don't miss the artist talks as well as the DBF Lounge, where you can join in with artists and other audience members to reflect on this year's edition. Tonight it is my great pleasure to be able to release the video of the online residency for Dance Bridges with choreographer Dam Van Huynh and artists in Taipei, in different cities in India, as well as in London. Together they've collaborated and worked on the concept of physical sound art, which is something that Dom's been exploring to look at noise as activism. So without any further delay, we present Exquisite Noise Extension. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that and it spills your curiosity to explore more of the festival program. You can just head over to our website dancebridges.in, and if you'd like to get more involved or you'd like to support us or you have any other questions or feedback, do write to us at dancebridgesfestival@gmail.com. You can also follow us on social media on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Just look out for @dancebridges. Thank you once again to everyone who's watched today's program, and there's lots more coming up. I would also like to take this moment to thank all of our partners supporting this year's edition. A shout out to Meta Arts, to British Council Kolkata, to Van Huynh Company, Anarchy Dance Theatre, Center 151, Suprita Singh PR, Buoyant Performing Arts, and everyone else who's worked behind the scenes to make this possible. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.